In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get money using Sendwave. If someone is trying to send you money from abroad, this guide will help you receive it smoothly, avoid delays, and know exactly what to expect from start to finish. Start by asking the sender to use Sendwave for the transfer. Sendwave is a money transfer app that lets people send funds quickly to many countries, often with low fees and competitive exchange rates. Confirm that both the sender's country and your country are supported, and decide together how you want to receive the money, whether that's to a bank account, a mobile wallet, or as a cash pickup. Remind the sender to use the official app from a trusted app store and to review the fees and delivery time before sending. The clearer the plan, the faster the transfer lands on your side. Next, give the sender your correct details exactly as they appear on your official documents. If you're receiving to a bank, share the bank name and the precise account number. For mobile wallets, provide the correct phone number with the right country code and the wallet provider. For cash pickup, share your full legal name as shown on your ID and choose a convenient pickup location. Double check spellings, numbers, and formatting. Even a small typo can cause a hold or a return, so confirm everything with the sender before they press send. Now wait for the transfer to process. Sendwave transfers often arrive within minutes, but bank deposits can take longer depending on the bank and time of day. Keep your phone nearby for any confirmation messages from the sender or the receiving service. If a reference or control number is issued for pickup, keep it private and secure. The sender can also share a screenshot of the confirmation so you know the amount and currency to expect. Once notified, check your account. For a mobile wallet, open the wallet app, refresh your balance, and look for the transaction in the history. For a bank, check your app or ATM balance to confirm the exact amount received. For cash pickup, verify that you have the reference number and the correct pickup location, and make sure your name matches your ID. Take note of any fees and the final exchange rate. Finally, withdraw or use the funds. With a mobile wallet, you can cash out at an authorized agent or spend directly with participating merchants. With a bank deposit, withdraw from an ATM or pay using your card.